Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic superbikes ever made, the Aprilia RSV4. Whether you're a track day enthusiast or just love the thrill of high-performance motorcycles, the RSV4 is a name that stands out. So, let's explore why this superbike is considered a game-changer in the world of high-speed motorcycles. Its design and styling. Right off the bat, the RSV4 grabs your attention with its aggressive and aerodynamic design. The sharp, angular fairings are not just for show, they enhance performance by improving airflow and stability. Aprilia's MotoGP experience is evident in every line of this bike, from the winglets to the sleek tail section. The attention to detail is truly impressive, making it not just a high-performance machine, but also a piece of art on two wheels. Engine and performance. Now, let's talk performance. The RSV4 is powered by a 1.099cc V4 engine that produces around 217 horsepower. This engine layout gives the bike a unique character, with a balance of low-end torque and high-revving excitement. On the track, the RSV4's acceleration is fierce, and the top speed exceeds 180 mph, making it one of the fastest production bikes available. You really feel that MotoGP NA in the power delivery and the way it handles tight corners. Chassis and handling. When it comes to handling, the RSV4 truly shines. The lightweight aluminum chassis, combined with top-tier Öhlins suspension, allows for razor-sharp precision in every corner. Whether you're leaning deep into a curve or weaving through traffic, the bike remains planted and responsive. Aprilia has also equipped the RSV4 with advanced electronics, including traction control, wheelie control, and adjustable engine maps, giving riders confidence and control in all conditions. Technology and electronics. Speaking of electronics, Aprilia didn't hold back. The RSV4 comes with a full suite of rider aids, including a 6-axis EMU cornering ABS, launch control, and cruise control. The TFT display is modern and easy to read, providing real-time feedback and customizable settings to suit your riding style. This makes it not just a beast on the track, but also practical for day-to-day riding or longer trips. Comfort and ergonomics. For a superbike, the RSV4 is surprisingly comfortable. The seating position is aggressive enough for track use but not too extreme for street riding. The seat is supportive, and the handlebars are positioned to give the rider a commanding feel without sacrificing comfort. Aprilia has done a great job balancing performance with rider comfort, making the RSV4 a more versatile bike than you might expect from a hardcore superbike. Conclusion. To sum it up, the Aprilia RSV4 is the ultimate expression of speed, power, and precision. With its advanced electronics, MotoGP-inspired engineering, and unbeatable performance, this bike is a top contender in the superbike world. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking to experience top-tier performance, the RSV4 will not disappoint. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews and motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.